Hi friends, experimental investigation. Separate iron and sulphur. Now first see the picture. Sulphur, iron filling. This is magnet. Now see the procedure. Put some powdered iron and some powdered sulphur in a china dish. This is sulphur and this is iron fillings. Mix them thoroughly. Now bring a magnet near them. You will find that the powdered iron in the mixer is attracted by the magnet. See the picture. The magnet can be used to completely separate iron and sulphur. So, this is the simple experimental investigation, separate iron and sulphur. Thank you.